Unlocking the secrets of a memory palace. Enhance your learning. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing concept called the memory palace. This ancient method, used by the Greeks and Romans, can revolutionize how you remember information. Get ready to unlock the secrets of your mind. A memory palace, also known as the method of loci, is a mnemonic device that helps in memorizing information more efficiently. Imagine a familiar place, your home, for example. By associating pieces of information with specific locations in this space, you create mental images that are easier to recall. This technique dates back to ancient Greece and Rome. It's said that the poet Simonides of Ceos invented it after a tragic event at a banquet. He could recall where each guest was seated, which led to the development of this method. This story emphasizes the power of spatial memory. 1. Choose your palace. Select a place you know well, like your home. 2. Plan your route. Decide on a specific path through your palace. 3. Assign information. Place each item you want to remember at different points along the route. 4. Visualize and embellish. Create vivid, memorable images for each piece of information. 5. Practice the journey. Walk through your memory palace mentally, recalling each item. Be as detailed as possible with your images. Use bold, unusual, or emotional images. They stick better. Regularly revisit your memory palace to reinforce the memories. Experiment with different locations and routes for variety. The memory palace is a powerful tool to enhance your memory and learning capabilities. With practice, this method can be applied to a wide range of learning activities. I hope you found this journey through the memory palace insightful and that it helps you in your learning endeavors. Keep practicing, and you'll be amazed at what your memory can do.